Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. So today I'm sharing with you all a Zara try-on haul, and I'm so pleased with a lot of the items that I picked up from their autumn winter 20 kind of like collection. So yeah, first up I have this NEOPRENE-EFFECT dress, and I would say it was a little bit too big. I purchased it in a large. I don't know why. But it just wasn't holding me in the way I thought it would. But I did love the detailing on the boob area, but it just wasn't the right size. So up next I have this kind of like denim midi dress in the color white, and I love the fact that it has pockets, and I love the ruching on the back. Like, it just holds you in at the waist, so it makes me look tinier than what I actually am. But I do love the fit. My only thing is I wish I'd gone a sized up, but I feel like this is a great piece for like the autumn winter transition, with some trainers and a blazer or like a puff jacket. This would be like the perfect piece to wear this season. And yeah, it's really comfortable, but like I said, I just wish I'd gone a size up. Okay, so up next again I have another mini dress. So this is like a jersey material, and the reason I love this dress is because of the gathering and the ruching on down both sides. Like, that's richly what drew my attention to the dress. Unfortunately, I don't feel like it's very flattering on my stomach. I do need to lay off the donuts. But it is a great color and it's a great material as well, definitely more so for the transitional season. And yeah, if you're looking for something really simple just to get you by, this is definitely the perfect dress, especially for the price of what, $15.99. So up next I've gone for a little bit of a sporty vibe. I picked up this ribbed scoop neck top, and this was £3.99. I don't believe I've ever picked up anything for £3.99 in Zara before, but I loved just the idea of having like a vest top. I'm all for like clean, simple, minimalistic items, and this is something I know I can get a lot of wear out of. And I just paired it with these flowy jogger style trousers, and I love the way it moves. Like, I'm so into these flared trousers. It just reminds me of something from the 90s. In fact, the whole fit is a very 90s kind of style fit. It's one of those where I could just wear it on the day of running errands with a blazer on top just to take it up a notch. It's such a simple look, but it looks like I put a little bit of effort in, of course, but not too much effort. And yeah, I love the color as well, like a gray color on those trousers. Okay, so up next I'm showing you guys this ribbed sweater. Unfortunately, I'm actually not going to be keeping this jumper just because it's a little thinner than I thought it would be. For $25.99, I thought it'd be a little bit thicker. I would say I was drawn to the color and the fact that it's like a ribbed texture, but you guys can see, you can even see the label and my bra in this footage. So I'm not too pleased with the material, but I do like the color and the ribbed effect. I just wish it was on the thickest side. But nevertheless, if you're looking for something just to hold you over during this transition season, then it's a great piece to have. Yeah, so I ended up getting these 90s style jeans as well, and oh my goodness, I'm so in love with these jeans. Like, I needed a pair of these, and I've been wearing them ever since I got them. They're just the perfect blue jeans, and I love them. And I think they were $29.99, so for that price they aren't too bad. And I just love Zara's jeans. Even they seem to just sit really well on me, even though I did go a size up, but I do like the fact that I have a little bit of breathing room. Okay, so up next I'm showing you guys this oversized corduroy shirt, and I'm so in love with this shirt. I don't believe I own anything like this in my wardrobe. I love the color, I love the texture, and this whole fit, I actually wore it out to a friend's birthday picnic after I finished filming this video. It's just a simple piece, and it's just a great addition to my wardrobe. And I feel like if you don't own a shirt like this, get one. It's so simple, just thrown over a t-shirt or a vest top with some jeans, and it just pulls your look together so nicely. Color's so simple, it can go with everything. And you guys know I'm all for simple, earthy, neutral tones, and this is something that definitely fits in my wardrobe kind of like theme and style. Okay, so up next I have this two-piece. Unfortunately, I did have to buy it separately. So first off, I got the cardigan. That was £25.99. I got in an extra large. It still is a little bit tight. I thought for an extra large it would be like oversized, but I guess that's just the way it is. It's meant to be a little bit cropped. The material is super thick and amazing. The color is so beautiful. And yeah, I just simply love it. I paired it with obviously the crop top. Again, that was bought separately for £15.99. It just looks so cute together. It's a very kind of like 90s vibe, which I love. And I paired it with these wide leg flowing trousers, and these trousers move so beautifully. I'm so in love with the color. I've worn them too many times now, I can't even count. They were a little bit too big, but I just was too impatient to return them, so I wore them and I pinned them to the side. So I need to take them to my tailor to kind of get them taken in so I can continue wearing them. Okay, so up next, you guys know I love an all black look, especially for the autumn winter season. It is my go-to. I live in all black. So I have this ribbed polo neck, and I love Zara jumpers that are super thick, and I love the way this jumper kind of like holds me at the waist and my stomach. It makes me look really tiny looking back at this footage. The material is so thick, like it's insane. This would definitely hold you over in the winter, and for someone like me who gets cold so easily, that is like the best material I could find, and it's so nice and thick. And I decided to pair it with these faux leather wide leg trousers, and again, these are something that remind me from the 90s. I feel like it would be in a Missy Elliott video. I love the way it holds me at the waist. And yeah, I got it in a size large and it still fits really well, and I just love this whole monochromatic look, and this is something I know I'll be wearing through and through in the winter. Like, yeah, it's definitely my vibe. Okay guys, so up next I'm wearing this satin shirt, and believe it or not, I actually don't own any satin shirts. So when I saw this, I had to pick it up. I thought it'd be a great piece to add to my wardrobe for the autumn winter season as well as the spring summer season. It's so breezy and it's light, and I'm sure just by pairing it with a polo neck underneath or a t-shirt, I could rock this in the winter season as well as the transitional season that's upon us. I just love how comfortable it is. I did get it in a size large just so it wouldn't be too restricting on my chest area, and yeah, I just love it. It's a great piece. So lastly, I'm sharing with you guys this ribbed top with a cutout square neck. I don't really know, it's like I don't even know how you'd call it, but there's so much going on with it. I love it. I just love the neck details. It reminds me of, again, something from the early 90s. I just love it so much. It's a crop style. It's something I would not normally wear, but once I tried it on and I saw how well it fit me, I'm like, yeah, I'm keeping this. Like, this is so staying in my wardrobe. It's like a nice little piece that just takes your outfit to the next level. It's so simple and I love it, and for £15.99 you can't go wrong. Again, I paired it with those flowy wide leg trousers, and I was feeling myself. Like, there's an image on my Instagram already of this outfit and I love it. Okay, so lastly I am showing you guys these double strap leather sandals that I picked up. If you've seen or noticed, I'd wore them throughout the whole video. Every single outfit, they worked amazingly. And I know that summer is kind of like over now, but I'm still getting good wear out of them, even though it is a little bit cooler. So this concludes my Zara try on haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave your thoughts and comments down below. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let me know your favorite outfit and if you'll be picking up any of these items. And yeah, connect with me on my social media. I'll put my Instagram on screen. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.